Alright, so together. This is undefined expression is 2. Exist. Is equals to which is the third. Got a horizontal and vertical asymptote through the point 2, 2. Because the horizontal asymptote is y equals 2 and the vertical asymptote is y equals 2. Okay, so if we plot the points, we get negative 3, here, 1, 2, 3, and positive 1. And then we have 1 and negative 3, so down here. And then we have 3 and 7, all the way up here, and then 7 and 3. So we just join up those dots. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, we're looking for this HK value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that means that our, well, we'll get to that in a second, but our A value is 5. And this is a reciprocal function. And it's going to be 5 over x minus 2 plus 2. And it's positive because it's in quadrant 1 and 3. Does it have a vertical shift? Is that an up or down? Yes. It's going to be up 2. Horizontal shift? Yes. Right 2. Vertical stretch? Yes. By 5. Compression? No. And reflection? No. Okay, next. Let's just pull the points from here. We have negative 9, 2. Negative 7 and 4. And then we have negative 5, negative 2. Negative 3, 0. That's all the points we have, so we can skip the last part there. Okay, there's also a reciprocal function. And let's look at our A value. We're going to be over 1, 2, 3 and up 1, over 1, up 3. So our A value is 3. Let's check here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's in these two quadrants here, so it's negative 3 over x. Our HK is negative 6, positive 1, so it's going to x plus 6, and then subtract 1 on the outside here. Vertical shift, yes, it went up 1. Horizontal shift, yes, it went left 6. Stretch, yes, by 3. Compression, no. Reflection, yes. Okay, this time they give you the variable, so exponential growth. So our b value follows a times b to the x minus h plus k. So our b value is 2. It says up 2, so that's going to be a plus 2 on the outside. Oops. Actually, hold on. Our plus 2 is pretty much right here. We've got x. Do we have a horizontal? Yes, we've got left 1, so that's plus 1. There's no compression and there's a stretch by 2, so it's 2 times 2 to the x plus 1 plus 2, and there's no reflection. So go ahead and graph this. We have our HK at negative 1, positive 2. Right here. And then we are going to go up 2 from that dot because of the A value. And then we're going to go to the right because it's a growth, and that's going to be from 2 to 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. I can go left 1. That's a height of 2, so this becomes a height of 1. And that could, you can even go further and go 1 more. That's it graphed. We'll pull some points from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can just do 4, that's fine. Negative 2, 3. And then we have negative 1, 4. We get 0 and 6 and 1 and 10. And then we just write the equation, which I wrote to the left there, or the right there, I'm sorry. 2 times 2 to the x plus 1 plus 2. Okay, last page. So here we have the equation, 2 times a half. So then our A value is 2, our B value is a half, so decay. And then our HK is negative 1, negative 3. So plot the point negative 1, negative 3. Oops. And then do a horizontal asymptote through that value. Then from the look at your A value. Our A value is 2, so we're going to go up 2. Change colour on that. And then, since it's decay, it's going to go down to the right. So if I went this way, I have to multiply by a half. So I want to go the to the left, multiply by 2 to make it easier. So this height of 2 becomes a height of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we can't get 16 in. We can get 1 here because it's a height of 1, and then we can go for a half as well if we wanted to. Draw those values in. We'll get negative 3, positive 5. Negative 2 and 1. Negative 1 and negative 1. And we can do negative 2 and 0. And if we wanted to, we could do 1 and negative 2.5. This is an exponential decay. Vertical shift, yes, it was down. Went down 3. Horizontal shift, yes, it went left 2. I lied there, left 1, I'm sorry. Vertical stretch, yes, by 2. Compression, no, and reflection, no. Okay, 2 more. This is saying undefined, so that's y equals negative 2. There's only one of them, so that suggests that it's a exponential growth or decay. Let's do our points. Negative 4, 2. So right here, and then negative 3, 0, negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 1.5. So this is an exponential decay. So we have to choose our x, our hk. I'm going to put it right here. I could make it here or here, it doesn't matter. Vertical shift, yes, we went up 1, so that our a value is 1. To go from here to here, I have to multiply the 1 by a 2 to make it 2, and then multiply again by 2. So I'm going this way and I'm multiplying by 2. That's the behavior, that's the b value. Oops. So horizontal shift, yes, we went left 2. Vertical stretch, no, no, because our a value is 1, and no reflection. So I'm going to have 2 to the power of the hk here is negative 2, negative 2. So x plus 2 minus 2. Oh, I forgot there's one more. And I guess this is, yep, last one. Exponential decay with the b being 1/3. We know that it's going to go down to the right. It does have a reflection, so it's actually going to go look like this, but we'll get to that in a moment. Vertical shift is up 9, so that's going to be your y. Horizontal shift right 1, so that's your x, so it's going to be 1, 9. Put a dot right there, and then go ahead and say that. No stretch or compression, so I'm going to go down 1. There is a reflection, that's why I went down 1, so that's a value is negative 1, or you can just leave it as negative on the outside. It said that it's 1/3, so I can put that in. I've got x, went left, right 1, so minus 1, and then plus 9, up 9. So it's 3, so I've got to have this shape. So when I've got 1, so as I go this way, I have to multiply by 3. So that 1 becomes a height of 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 is right off the graph. I only have 3 values I can actually mark on here. Negative 1, 0, 0, 6, 1, and 8. And that is us done.